Hey, what's happening? I am at Pruitt, and this is just a quick shout out to the folks at ZGCINE. I bought a battery, vmount battery from ZGCINE a couple weeks ago, maybe it was about a month ago. And they said, you know what? Hey, thanks for buying this battery. Let us send you another battery. This is a new product of ours. I got the V99 vmount battery, which is a 99 watt vmount battery, which is fairly small but fairly powerful. I think I did a YouTube short about it, but this is their new V50. This is an even smaller form factor. You're still getting the power that you need to power up your cinema camera and cinema accessories such as a monitor, but you're getting just a smaller package and a lighter payload. So that makes your rig be even more portable than what the V99 was offering. This thing is just a little bit smaller, and it has all of the same ports that the V99 had, including USB PD, so you can really quick charge these when it's time to do a recharge on them. It takes just a couple hours, not a whole day. You get USB out to power up devices with the USB cable, so you can power up a laptop, you can power up your monitor if it uses USB to DC, or you can use a DC and D tap just like any other V-mount battery. What I like about this one in comparison to the V99 is the V50 has a DC out port on it. The V99 does not. So I'm glad to see this is a nice added addition, which will again allow you to power your camera with the D tap, as well as power your monitor or another device with a DC out. Very nice package. Lots of power coming on this. Good pricing on it. You can get the V50 for $119, or you can get the V99 for $169. I will have a link in the description below. Thanks again to the folks at ZGCINE. Again, they sent this over to me for free. Just, my full disclaimers here, but they did not get to check out this video before I sent it out. But I think this is a pretty good value here, and maybe you'll see the same. Check it out. Links in the description. Create and dominate.